Hello everyone, welcome back again to my channel. So I have a question. Are you using CyberPanel with Open Lightspeed server for your WordPress web server? If so, then maybe some of you experiencing issue like me, that I cannot set the browser case to be able to solve the issue on Google Page the Google Page Speed Insight. As you can see here, this is my result from the Page Speed Insight. There is yellow issue. It's about that the duration of the browser caching is too low. It's set default. This is default from the web server, from the Open Lightspeed server. It's 7 days, but it tell me that I need to if I click the description, it tell me that I need to set the duration of the browser case for a long time, such as a year or longer. But this is not the fixed value, because there are some something that you need to consider. But if you're gonna use a long time duration for the browsing case. But anyway, the issue here usually can be solved by set the expire date of the browser case on the HTTP access file, as it used by other plugin and other web server. But if you're using OpenLight server, even if you install the plugin for the Lightspeed server, so this is the plugin name. Its name is Lightspeed Case plugin. I think that's the most popular plugin for set the case, optimize the WordPress if it's installed on the Lightspeed server. You can see here there is actually a setting which we can control the browser case, like here. So let me try something. I will go set it on, and it say that this setting will edit the HTTP access file, and the duration of the browser case will be I think it's 1 year. Let's save it. Okay, is it working or no? Let's try open my Chrome console. So you can see there is a lighthouse menu on the Chrome console, or I think the Firefox and Brave have it too. So let's try to analyze the page. So basically, it's use a same technology with the page speed, because it's using a lighthouse, I believe. Correct me if I'm wrong. Okay, let's see the result of the audit, the result for the metrics. Okay, so please ignore this 4 5 red value for performance. Anyway, let's scroll down, and you can see here the browser case setting, which I had set to 1 year to 5 weeks, is not working. Okay, let's take a look at the source. I think let's see which one is one of the file that include on this issue. So I think all the asset file, the JavaScript, the CSS, the JPEG, the WAV, it's one file, TTF, it's one file. I think, yeah, the browser case setting is not working. So let's go to the network and see one of them. Let's go to style and see here the case control on the response header. You see the max age or the duration of the browser case, it's still using the default one, which is a 7 day, I think. So this is the second, yeah, the value is second. So if I copy this, you can see that it's still using 1 week or 7 day. So there is no change even if I set the browse cache on, because you see here there is notice open Lightspeed user, please check this setting up custom header. So the plugin tells us that we need to set up the custom header to make the browser cache working. So this is their documentation about the issue about the browser case. So you can read deep about this by I will share the link below. But the point is we need to create a custom header, then the browse case setting will work. We can change this duration of the browser case by creating custom header. And is this true or no? I happen to saw one of the topic on the Lightspeed case plugin support on the WordPress.org. So there are people who have the same issue, that they have set the htaccess file, they have set the right one, the cache control. If you can see here, see the cache control, they have he had set the cache control on the htaccess file, but it's not working. And the plugin support say that Open Lightspeed only support rewrite rule and rewrite con. Other directive in htaccess, either comment on directive access, will ignore. See, OLS, Open Lightspeed, because there are two versions of Lightspeed. The first is the free version OLS, Open Lightspeed, and the second version is the premium version. You need to buy it. You need to subscribe. What if I'm not wrong? Please correct if I'm wrong. You need to subscribe it. Its name, it's called Lightspeed server. No open words before the Lightspeed. So it's premium. Because I'm using Open Lightspeed, I'm using the free version, the open source version of this web server. Then setting the rule on the htaccess will not work as the plugin support. You can see here. Nah, here, so the last answer from the support is any other directive like header, expired by type, and any directive, any command are only supported by Lightspeed Enterprise. And so how about the people who are using the Open Lightspeed? There are two methods. What I found. The first is you can use a CDN. There is CDN here, and I think the Cloudflare here. You can use the Cloudflare service, and you can set the cache control there. So the issue here will automatically resolve if you're using Cloudflare and set the control case from the Cloudflare setting. And how about if I don't need CDN, I'm not using CDN, can we still use any other method to set the browse case? I found the good tutorial here. This is actually Open Lightspeed using a direct admin control panel, but you can use this if you're using a CyberPanel 2. So this is the code. Actually, we can set the case control, and with the max age or the duration of the browse case into whatever we want. And this is the type of the file which need to include which to apply this setting into this list of file of the format file. So the first thing I will do, or you can do, is go to your CyberPanel installation, CyberPanel admin, and you can go to the list of website and just click manage the website, the website you want to set the browse case, and you can see the configuration. There is a virtual host configuration. So just click one, and here you need to copy and paste the setting here. So just let's copy and paste it, and this comment we can remove that. We can remove that too, and this you can set it with the value whatever you like, but as the page speed documentation, you should case immutable static asset for a long time, such as a year or longer, so 1 year. So I'm gonna set this. So this is the 30 million second. Yeah, just use this and go to our virtual host configuration, and yeah, paste it, oops, yeah, and then save it. Okay, now it's saved. Let's go to our website and see. Okay, this is the before. Yeah, before is using a week or 900,000 seconds. So I'm gonna refresh it, and let's see which one is that. I think here, yeah, or here, style. Okay, now here the browser case now it's changed into 1 year. So if I take a look at Lighthouse, so let's analyze again. Let's see whether the issue is gone or no. Okay, so here, no issue. Now the issue is gone. Issue about the browser case duration is gone on the Lighthouse, and I think on the page speed too it will gone here on the diagnostic menu, the sub menu. So let's go to analyze again, and let's see. Let's wait a little bit. Okay, let's see on the diagnostic menu we don't have issue anymore. So I think this method can solve the problem about the browser case on the OpenLightspeed server. So I think that's all the information that I want to share with you. As usual, if you have any question, any critique, any suggestion, you can write on the comment box below, or send me email, or send me a messenger on my Facebook. And thank you very much. Happy weekend and happy coding. Bye bye. See you on the next video.